We're going to head up to Emerald Lake. We have no idea what's up there. It just sounded good. There's a campground up there, and there's also dispersed camping. This is Montana. This is south central Montana.
The hike yesterday was pretty much all uphill. So
only one way. It's also getting more and more beautiful the further in we get. I hear voices. This is Emerald Lake. Must be somebody out with a kayak or something. Oh yeah, people swimming. Oh man, I'd like to get in the water. Oh, they got here by bicycle. They told me the water's not cold. The only bathing suit I have is the one I was born with, so I don't think I'll be going swimming. A whole big pile of moose scat. I hear they dry that out and sell it for incense on Amazon. I'm serious. No, thank you. Well, it poured down rain yesterday all day, and Linda and I kind of stayed cooped up in the trailer, but I needed to do that anyway to get some editing done, so no loss there. We're still along Emerald Lake. We've been here for a couple days kicking back, and now we're going for a hike along the lake. Kind of in an area where not too many people go, obviously, because it's hard to find a trail. But Linda's trying. I think she might be onto something. It's been really hot. We've been really thankful to have that air conditioning in the trailer. You know, we don't do a lot of camping in Montana in the summertime because it does get hot and muggy and buggy and everything. So putting that AC in made a difference for us. Be sure to check that out. Just look back a couple of videos and you'll find it. It was really inexpensive to do. Anyways, enough about that. Today, though, instead of being 95, is like 65, and this is very pleasant. We're just in a National Forest campground on the upper end of this lake. It's got like 30 sites, and then down below here is Pine Grove Campground. This is all south of Dean, Montana, which is just a little, a little tiny wide spot in the road, but you can look up Dean, D-E-A-N, Montana. This is Emerald Lake. It's kind of a ways back in here, but it's also very beautiful. There's a very, very sheltered area down underneath this huge boulder. I'll bet you that's been put to use more than once. And there's Linda over there, and that gives you an idea how big this boulder is too. It's big. You stumbled on a campsite way back here.
yeah. Want to share my campfire?
What a pretty area.
Yeah.
Yeah. There isn't any sort of a real trail through here, just fisherman's trail, from guys fishing along the shoreline, but it keeps petering out and you got to search around and try to find something, some way to get through. Linda says she's on a trail. She's trying to lead me down there. Must be a big hole in the ground she's going to push me into. I don't know about this. you say so. Nice spot to fish. Before we left camp, and for the last couple days, I've been thinking about coming up this side of the lake, and I thought with all the people camping there and all the kids running around that there would be a well-established trail going up this side of the lake. There's a road on the other side, but I thought that there would be a well-established hiking trail here, but there's not. It's kind of amazing. People just staying in camp. But the fishermen do come out here, but it's bushwhacking. Beautiful though.
Beautiful lake, yeah? Well, this is an area we've never been to before or camped in. So this is all new to us. We didn't know what to expect coming up here.
I thought we'd been everywhere in Montana.
No, Montana is a huge state.
I know, it's big. It's very
Yeah. Yeah, there's bear signs all over. I mean, human signs. To be bear aware, but we haven't seen any actual bear signs.
big. Just a lot of moose signs.
Yeah.
There's moose scat everywhere along this
Everywhere.
lake. I kind of thought we'd see a moose today. Hey,
Look at, there's people way over there. See them?
I wonder if they're fishing or what. No, they're just hiking.
And a bunch of ducks or geese or waterfowl. I don't see any moose though.
Me either. Well, this has been a nice camp. You know, some camps are just made for exploring and some camps are made for relaxing, and this was one of those. It was just a nice place to be. There's other people camped around us, but they were quiet. We didn't hear any generator noise or anything like that. It was perfect. A lot of kids, you know, going by on bicycles. That was okay. Happy sounds. Yeah, this was a nice camp. Once again, this is Emerald Lake Campground. And we enjoyed our stay here. Maybe the next one will be a little different. Now this one, I gotta say, Linda and I just did that walk along the lake, and you had to be a little adventurous on that one because of the steep rock faces and ledges and things like that. So there wasn't a really good established trail, but you could walk all the way around the lake if you wanted to. So for some adventurous kid, that's a good possibility. Also, the fishing looks like it might be all right, but we enjoyed this campground. Oh, thank you. She just gave me 10 cents.
10 cents to take your picture.
Hey guys, thanks for coming along on this video. We had a good time here at this campground.
Yeah, sure did. We got to test out the AC.
That was the best part. Well, yeah, it was. Anyways, more on that later too. We'll see you around.